In this video, we will link employees to shifts. We can do that by going to the employees profile. Under Attendance tab, within Working Schedules, we click on New. From Schedule Type, we select Shift Schedule. Over here, we will see all the shifts that are configured within the system. I will select the default shift only for this employee, and I will click Save. Operation must be after start date. So from the 20th of April as an example. So we have linked this employee to shifts from the 20th of April. We go to Attendance and we select Roster. Under Roster over here, I can show the shifts assigned to employees for a certain duration. By clicking Show, all employees linked to shifts will be displayed. This is our employee, and as we can see, the assignment is locked. You cannot assign any shift to this employee till the 11th of April. That's due to recruiting date. From the drop-down list, I select the shift for that day, and the system will automatically save this shift and assign it to this employee. I can also copy and paste the column. So this will make it easy for us to set schedules and shifts based on days and replicating them. Also, I can export an Excel sheet that will include all the details of the roster. By opening the Excel sheet, we can see all the changes that I have made are reflected. We can change on the Excel sheet, save the file, and upload it. Click on Import, and the system will import the changes and assign them to the employee accordingly.